This is a how-to video brought to you by Buddy Rockhouse Air Conditioning and Heating. Is my outside unit working normally? Here are a few simple checks that you, the homeowner, can perform to see if your unit is working normally. First, we're going to start inside the house and check the air temperature coming out of your grill in the ceiling versus the air temperature going into your grill where your filter is located. The air temperature coming out of your grills in the ceiling should be 12 to 20 degrees colder than the air temperature going into your grill where your filter is located. I'm going to use an infrared gun to check the temperature. You can use whatever you have at home. 73 degrees. 59 degrees. That's a 14-degree difference. That's acceptable. Now we're going to go outside. Now we're on the outside. First, you want to make sure that your fan is turning and that the air coming out is warmer than the air going in. There should be a 10 to 20 degrees difference. I'm going to use an infrared gun to measure the temperatures, but you can use whatever you have at home. 84 degrees. 102 degrees. That's an 18-degree difference, and that's acceptable. Now we're going to move to your copper line set. You're going to have two lines, a small line and a large line. The small line should be warmer than your large line, and your large line should be cold and sweating. If you see ice, then you have a problem, and you should watch our video for that. But if it's cold and sweating, then your unit is probably working normal.